The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a highly advanced smartphone, which comes with a range of features to enhance your connectivity experience. One of the most useful features is its ability to connect with Bluetooth devices. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to connect your Galaxy S23 Ultra with your Bluetooth speakers or headphones. To get started, follow these steps. Pull up the app drawer and tap Settings. Tap Connections, which can be found just below your profile. If the Bluetooth service is disabled, then tap on the switch next to it to enable it first. After that, tap Bluetooth itself to open its settings. At this point, make sure that your Bluetooth speaker or headphone is already turned on and in pairing mode. If you cannot find it among other available devices, tap Scan at the top right corner. Once your Galaxy S23 Ultra sees your Bluetooth device, tap on it to proceed. You will be prompted to confirm if you really want to pair the device, so tap Pair to confirm it. It will take just a second or two before your devices connect with each other. You can then tap the gear icon next to the paired device to change some settings. You can use it only for audio, for calls, or for both. You can also rename it, disconnect and unpair anytime you like. And that's all there is to it. We hope this guide was helpful in getting you connected to your Bluetooth devices. Thank you for watching.